Hi guys, in this class I will share a second problem number 2, and the solution that will be related to loop with Python dictionary. Problem statement is that write a Python program to get 5 digital product, for example computer, laptop. So these are different digital products you can get from the user, and then you have to also get price for that product, and then display total price of the products. All the products price should be displayed to user. This is a problem statement. I will provide a solution for this problem statement. That is why we have to open Visual Studio Code. In a Visual Studio Code, just create a new file and save this file, problem number 2, and then copy and paste here. Just change get 5 digital products with your price. Display display total price of the products. So just what you have to do, I have to create a empty dictionary with the name products, and then I have to get product name and product price, student name, product name, and product price. Update this empty dictionary. Product name will be key and its price will be a value. And then what I have to do, just I have to display at the end print products. So whether it display or not. Product name, for example mobile, computer, sorry, product name, for example mobile, price computer, and this is price calculator and its price, and ABC healthy, and XYZ. You can see that all the products are displaying in a dictionary format. But what I have to do, I have to find total price of the digital products. For that reason, what I have to do, for I in products dot values, because I have target price, and then I have to create a variable sum equal to 0, and then print sum assignment operator, arithmetic assignment operator I will use. And when I write this one, every number, all the number from the dictionary as price will be added to each other, and final result will be stored in a sum variable, because I am using addition assignment operator. Print sum total price of the products str. Product name, for example mobile, its price is this price. Computer, its price is this one. Top, its price is this is price. anything. What is the digital product? You can write here column. Its price, the price number. This is its price, and tablet. You can mention its price. You can see that this is overall dictionary. Total price of the product. This is a total price of all the product. That is our target to display. You can also mention here white space to provide a white space between tax, between s and this price. So this is a solution for that problem. If you have any confusion, you can share with me.